Hello and greetings. In many industrial processes, we need to change the frequency constantly and with high precision. In such cases, using a potentiometer is the easiest solution because by turning the potentiometer, we can adjust the frequency. However, the main problem with a potentiometer is that it doesn't offer high precision. So what could be the solution? The solution is to use push buttons and the up-down feature. Now, to find out how to activate the up-down feature on Estafaya drives and how to implement it, stay with us as my colleague Ms. Bonakdar from the technical department will provide you with the complete explanation.
To activate the up-down feature, we need two push buttons, one for increasing the frequency and the other for decreasing the frequency. These should be connected to the drive's digital inputs. Here, we've chosen terminals P4 and P5 for this purpose. The next step is to define these two digital input terminals, specifying what function each one will perform. So we go into the input parameter set and set parameter IN68, which corresponds to P4 to mode 17, meaning up or frequency increase. And we meticulously set parameter 69, which precisely corresponds to terminal P5 to mode 18, specifically meaning a downward adjustment or a frequency decrease. Please keep in mind that until the explicit run command is actually given to the device, these particular functions simply won't work as intended. So first and foremost, the run command must be properly issued to the device. Here we have chosen to set the command to be given via the physical keypad, specifically meaning we set DRB to 0, then we carefully run the device and subsequently use the up key to incrementally increase the frequency. In this mode, as long as you keep your hand on the button, the frequency will increase. You can significantly increase or either gradually decrease the frequency, making precise adjustments step by step in a controlled manner. Let me mention something here. When you run the device and set a frequency, after you stop it, the frequency resets to 0. So if you want to run it again, you have to start from 0. But you can do something else to keep the last working frequency, so that when you start it again, it resumes from that same frequency. To do this, you can set a parameter. We enter the Advanced Parameters section, and you set the advanced settings to 65 to 1. See you. Now let's run it again. If, for example, our last working frequency was 9.01, when I stop it, it stays at 9.01. And after running it again, it will start working from 9.01 or whatever the last working frequency was.